Ready? Start. Mean that every item of taxation is a right item. Personally, I agree with my honorable friend that a tax on salt or a tax on food grains is not perhaps an idle tax. It is not a right tax and it should be levied if it has to be levied at all with extreme moderation. But my general point of view is that I would favor more direct taxation and less indirect taxation. May I just say that planning needs trained personnel. We cannot in the 20th century compete with the advanced countries of the world without trained personnel, and it is for that reason I am a little worried as one who has been connected with education for well over 35 years in my states about the rapid fall in our university standards. Now I speak with some knowledge of this question. I have been connected as an examiner with many Indian universities. I know them. I am in contact with our young men, and it is very painful for me to find that they are not able to express themselves today in any language whatever. It is not as if they are able to express themselves very well in Hindi. I should be happy if they were able to express themselves well in Hindi. But the distressing feature is that the vast majority of our students are not well up in their studies, and the tragedy as is that they are not able to express themselves in any language properly. Of course, there is overcrowding in the universities. I am not complaining against this overcrowding, and I think education is the birthright of every student. I visualize a time when education in all its aspects will be as free as the air that we breathe. The only thing that we should require or we should demand is the capacity to profit by higher education. Higher education must not be made too expensive for the poor. After all, the unfortunate section of the community has a right to a better deal, but what I am worried about is that fall in standards. We cannot ignore the claims of expansion, and there has been a considerable expansion of secondary education in our state. I think it is right that there should be this expansion. The question, however, is how are we going to reconcile the claims of expansion with the claims of efficiency? I am in favor of diversification of our educational system. But why merely diversification of education? You will not be able to solve the question, the problem of unemployment among the educated unemployed. You will merely substitute a class of specialist unemployed for the general unemployed today. How are you going to tackle this problem? I think it is unnecessary for us to insist upon uniformity of standards in all our higher educational institutions in the country. The view has also been put forward by the ministry that there should be uniformity of standards in all the universities. Stop.